Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable announced phone calls on the Truecaller app. Go ahead and open up Truecaller guys, and you want to go ahead and click your account on the upper left hand side, scroll down and go to settings, then go to calls. Now under this section you want to scroll down and you should find a feature option rather that says phone call announce phone calls, right? Now the important thing is that now if I go ahead and click and try it, you will see that it says you're on silent mode, right? I would need to turn off my silent mode. So simply means that if your phone is on the silent mode, you'll want to just ensure that you don't have silent mode on. Your phone is on the normal setup and you can try it, right? So however, to simply turn on this feature, you can simply just toggle it on, and as you can see, this feature is on, right? And you can try it.
Incoming call from Maria Miller identified by Truecaller.
And you see right there that I just tested out, and you'll see how it actually works. And that's pretty much it, guys.